part sometimes. You have to pack your essentials and wants, along with keeping them below the weight limit. So here are 5 tips for packing your suitcase. Plan your outfits. Plan your outfits ahead of time. If you're going somewhere hot, pack things you need there. As for the cold, do the same thing. It will help save space instead of packing everything. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes makes space for more things, which would be ideal. Fill in extra space. Once you're done packing the essentials, you can fill in the extra space with other stuff you want to pack. Use exterior pockets. There are usually pockets or small spaces on the outside of suitcases. You can use that space to pack things you couldn't on the inside. Wear bulky clothing on the plane. If you really run out of space and you need to pack something, you can wear it on the plane. I hope these tips will help you pack your suitcase efficiently and smartly.